Alright y'all, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. This is a very special video because the car is now officially on E85. There is actually E85 on the tank. I am on a base tune. Actually, I take that back. I'm actually on revision 1. I went to go pump E85, loaded up the base tune, sent the first idle log and slow RPM climbs or whatever. I did that, sent that to Lund, and then I got my first revision. Couldn't get an answer back from Lund because they were already closed and it was already Thanksgiving the next day. So I didn't even bother filming that. I was geeking anyways. So we're just gonna start off today fresh. Today's all about tuning this thing, getting it on point, getting it dialed in. But like I said, I already have E85 on the tank. Still gonna have to go pump, so we are gonna go pump E85 in this video for the first time. But I do gotta say, I already went ahead and did it. I did try to film it, but that video was just all over the place. I was just way too excited. And I figured I'm gonna just start fresh today and film you guys everything. So, oh my gosh, it smells like straight E85. I love it, I love it, I love it. So far, it drives the same. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, they don't feel none different. I just smell E85 instead of pump gas, which I like. And well, that cold start was a little rough, but I know it can be way more rough than that. Yeah, I could have definitely already filmed this, but I told you guys I wanted to put this all in this video, so. Are the roads good? I mean, it was kind of raining in the morning. They look fine. Bro, she just feels good. Like that right there. Just feels good. I don't want to do the pull on this road because it's a little bumpy and I'm on really low springs. They should our super sports. They're gonna be all I don't want, that's gonna be a bad law. Ooh, but I'm already knowing with them crispy shifts, this thing's gonna pop flames for sure. No doubt in my mind this thing's not gonna pop flames. I'm gonna try to hold the camera with one hand. I'm gonna be in second gear and do this 25 to 55. See how it goes. Alright, I'm gonna just go ahead and turn advanced track sport mode on. Start the log. We are about to party right here, boys. Let's get it. First pull on camera. I don't even know how I'm gonna do this with one hand. Are you kidding me? Alright, yo, so let me get it clear. Alright, 25 to 55, and I'm gonna let off. Alright, ready? Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, boys. Oh my gosh, that was great. That was great. After 4,500, like when it was starting to hit 5K and then up to 55, I'm starting to get a little butterflies in my stomach. No cap. Maybe because I'm holding the camera with one freaking hand. All right, I'm gonna go take care of this stuff, and then I'm gonna go home, send this log, and then let you guys know what he says. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, that felt fucking amazing. Go ahead, send him that log, and then shit, we'll just go back out, do more pulls for the logs. So I'm gonna let this thing just sit right here. We're we'll send this log and I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Log looks good. Let's just redo it with taking it to 6500 this time. So I'm waiting until my roommate Tara wakes up, and then we're gonna go do it. I do need to go pump more E85, so I'm thinking, should I go pump it now, or should I do it after? Or should I go do this log right now while he's getting ready, and then when I come back he's already ready, and then we can go pump E85. But what if he already says the tune is finalized and we're straight? I'm gonna just go put more E85 in the tank. Oh boys, here we go. This is going to be the first time I'm pumping E85 on camera. Like I did say before, I already did pump E85, but I was kind of geeking, and I did the bass tune. It's like I told you guys earlier in the vlog, we're gonna redo it right now. We're gonna pump E85 for the first time in the Shelby on camera. And I got Tara with me, so let's get it. This is so weird.
That yellow nozzle.
Got the yellow nozzle now. Bro, I was geeking the first time I was doing this, so now more calm, we're good, we're straight. Nothing but a G10 right here, man. That looks crazy though.
That shit look crazy with the back.
I don't know what's going on with my tank, but I guess I gotta hold and pump. It's a half a tank. So a little bit that I drove this morning, it only went down a fourth of a tank. That's not bad.
Yeah, it's just the fourth of it, yeah.
I mean, it's literally the same on 93.
Wow, really?
Yeah. So just gonna fill up the tank right now, and then we'll go over there and do that 25 to 6500 RPM pull. So we feel freaking good.
Oh yeah.
And then send them the log, and we should be good to go.
Get your blood warm.
I'm gonna ask for more sauce though, so just a little tiny bit more. So. Let me see the camera real quick. Take one last look. Shelby's now officially on E85. This place has definitely good E85. Everybody in Houston knows this place. This is like one of the best gas stations for E85. I do not need to test it. All my friends have tested it. Everybody has tested the E85 in this gas station, so don't put in the comments and tell me that I didn't test it. Did he say something?
I feel like he's annoyed.
You annoyed?
Stupid.
Cool, 170 to E. That's a full tank right there.
You got a full tank?
Yeah. But when we do a proper roll, like 60 at 35, 4K RPM, this bitch is gonna.
What?
That was good. That was a good log. That was a very good log. I'm gonna go ahead and send this to Lund, and hopefully they say it's good. I'm gonna ask for a little more sauce. We'll see if we get it. Pick up some chicken real quick.
Yes, sir.
Go home, send this log. It's still so early. He has to reply to me. He's gonna reply today, and then.
That's the right time. 11:37.
It's 11:30, bro. It's
shit.
It's pretty early. They're done replying at 4 p.m. So we're good. Now that I already have the vlog going, I'm already thinking about the next modification. You guys know that the next major modification for this car is going to be the cams. And I want to do them next month. On my birthday, I turned 22 years old, December 19th. Thursday, December 19th. Put that in your calendar, send me stuff. Anyways. I want to buy the cams beginning of next month maybe, and then drop off the car like a week before, and then pick up the car with the cams already installed the day of my birthday. So you guys know that I definitely want to do that. But I'm already thinking about the next couple modifications after, because I said that this car was going to be done, but there's still a lot left over to do, and it's all little stuff. Well, kind of little to medium stuff, because I was already thinking about doing a 10% lower. I have a 2.4 upper, but I don't know. Will adding a 10% lower be too much? Will that be overkill? I mean, right now, maybe not, but with the cams, probably. But then again, this is not going to be my daily driver with the cams, and it's just going to be my weekend car. So it's already full bolt on E85. I don't know if adding a 10% lower will, you know, push it over the limit with cams. I'm unsure about that, because also I do need a clutch. I'm on the stock clutch and shifter, so I really want to get a McLeod RXT and an MGW short throw shifter. So I also want to do that too, and then maybe upgrade this 123 intake to a 148 millimeter intake, because JOT also makes that, so it's like super big intake. But I don't know. I don't know if a 10% lower is going to be too much for this car. Comment down below. Let me know. Maybe I can go up to a 2.5 upper and a 10% lower combo. Alright guys, we went out and did that final pull. The car is done. It's tuned. We're finally tuned on E85. It literally only took, one actual full revision. Yeah, the car is now full bolt on E85. I want to say it's making around 750. But I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe we can throw it on the dyno and see what's up. I'm just gonna need to find a pair of stock wheels and tires, because I can't hop on the welds with the 83Rs on there. But I sent the log. The verdict is here. We are about to read what he said. You're all set. Cams or a big blower next? Huh?